Enhance your workspace lighting and comfort with a sleek solution. The best monitor light bar provides balanced, glare-free illumination that reduces eye strain, improves focus, and creates a professional atmosphere for long hours of work, study, or creative projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BenQ Halo Monitor Light Bar. The BenQ Halo Monitor Light Bar is a premium solution for users who want superior eye comfort, workspace organization, and customizable lighting in one sleek design. Featuring an enhanced backlight, it reduces contrast between the monitor and surrounding darkness, helping you stay comfortable during long work or gaming sessions. This backlighting effect creates a soothing atmosphere while easing strain on the eyes, especially when working in dim environments. Its unique ASIM light technology ensures glare-free front lighting with an 18-degree anti-glare angle, illuminating your desk without reflecting on your screen or causing discomfort. This makes it an excellent choice for both flat and curved monitor setups. The wireless controller is another standout feature, allowing quick and precise adjustments to brightness, color temperature, and modes. With stepless customization, users can choose between 2700K and 6500K to create the perfect ambiance, whether for late-night study, office productivity, or relaxed browsing. The space-saving clamp design is practical and compatible with monitors up to 2.36 inches thick and curved displays between 1000R and 1800R, ensuring broad usability without damaging the screen. Number 2. BenQ Backlight Monitor Light Bar. The BenQ Backlight Monitor Light Bar is a thoughtfully engineered accessory designed to provide superior desk illumination and eye comfort. Unlike traditional lamps, it uses an integrated front and backlight system that minimizes glare while creating a balanced atmosphere around your screen. This feature is especially useful for long working or studying hours, as it reduces visual strain and enhances comfort. With 3 dedicated eye care modes, front light, backlight, and a combined setting, it ensures lighting can be tailored precisely to different tasks. The asymmetrical optical design directs light exactly where it's needed without reflecting back onto the screen, eliminating distracting glare. Another highlight is the smart wireless controller, which allows seamless control of brightness and color temperature with stepless adjustments across more than 100 levels. This makes it easy to transition from focused work to relaxed browsing with just a quick turn of the dial. The design is space-saving and powered via USB, freeing up desk space while keeping cables neat and minimal. Its patented clip mount secures easily on most monitors, including flat and curved options, making it widely compatible with screens up to 2.36 inches thick. The 5.9-foot USB cable adds flexibility for different setups. The combination of functional lighting, high compatibility, and thoughtful features makes this light bar ideal for professionals, gamers, and students alike. Its ability to save custom settings through My Favorite mode further enhances convenience, ensuring you don't need to readjust every time you use it. Number 3. BenQ Sensor Monitor Light Bar. The BenQ Sensor Monitor Light Bar is an advanced lighting solution that focuses on smart automation, wide coverage, and optimized eye comfort. Delivering over 1,000 lux of central brightness and a 500 lux range across a large area of 33 by 20 inches, this light bar provides superior illumination compared to most traditional desk lamps. Its brightness ensures that both the monitor and the workspace are well lit, reducing strain while working, studying, or gaming. Designed with high compatibility, it fits securely on monitors ranging from 0.17 to 2.56 inches thick, accommodating both flat and curved screens between 1000R and 1800R. The patented clamp design allows it to fit monitors with special back structures or irregular top bezels, ensuring versatility across different setups. A standout feature is the ultrasonic motion sensor, which detects movement within a 24-inch range. It automatically turns on when you approach and powers off 5 minutes after you leave, conserving energy without sacrificing convenience. Like other BenQ models, it uses ASIM light technology to eliminate screen glare while providing even desk illumination. The integrated function buttons allow quick adjustments to brightness and color temperature, offering flexible lighting control without occupying extra desk space. Powering the light is easy through USB-C or the included adapter, adding to its convenience. This monitor light bar is particularly suited for those who value automation and wide area coverage in their workspace. Number 4. BenQ Ultrawide Monitor Light Bar. The BenQ Ultrawide Monitor Light Bar offers expansive coverage and smart features tailored for users with larger displays or wide desk areas. With a powerful central brightness of over 1,000 lux and a wide illumination range of 33 by 20 inches, it surpasses traditional desk lamps by ensuring both screen and workspace are consistently lit. This makes it especially useful for ultra-wide monitors or work setups requiring more coverage. Its ASIM light technology is engineered to prevent screen glare, making long work sessions easier on the eyes while maintaining high productivity. The light bar fits monitors between 0.17 and 2.56 inches thick and supports curved displays between 1000R and 1800R, thanks to its versatile, patented clamp design. This ensures secure placement even on monitors with non-standard back structures or thicker frames. Another convenience is its ultrasonic motion sensor, which automatically detects user presence within 24 inches, turning the light on when you approach and shutting off 5 minutes after you leave. This not only saves energy, but also ensures the light is always available when needed. The light bar is also designed with user-friendly function buttons that allow quick adjustments to brightness and color temperature, keeping control simple and accessible. Powered by USB-C or the included adapter, it integrates seamlessly into modern setups. It's space-safe. Number 5. Palette Life EXZ Monitor Light Bar. The Palette Life EXZ Monitor Light Bar is a budget-friendly yet highly effective lighting solution designed to reduce eye strain and improve comfort during long computer use. Unlike standard desk lamps, it features an asymmetric optical design that prevents screen glare, ensuring a clear display while keeping your workspace illuminated. This is especially beneficial for users who spend hours working, studying, or attending online meetings. It offers 5 adjustable color temperature levels ranging from warm white at 2700K to daylight at 6500K, along with 3 brightness levels, making it versatile for different times of the day and tasks. Adjustment is simple, with intuitive touch buttons, allowing quick changes to suit your needs. An additional convenience is the touchless function, enabling you to power it on or off without physically touching the switch, which is both hygienic and user-friendly. It also includes a face light function that enhances your appearance during video calls, offering 3 brightness levels to ensure clear visibility in virtual meetings. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.